how to see Facebook friend request sent list. So if you want to see your Facebook friend request send list, then first open up your Facebook application, and then you can go for the upper right corner which has that 3-bar icon. Go for settings and privacy, and then again settings. Now you can scroll down, and or you can also go for the search which is on the upper right search icon, and search for activity log, and tap on that activity log, and here you can simply scroll right side, and then you can go for added friends, and here you will have all of your histories with whom you became friends with, or you can filter that out. You can simply categorize it by your activity across Facebook, or your personal information, or your connections. Like go for connections, and then you can go for your friends or removed friends. If you want to know your removed friends, then you can tap on that, or go for friend request received, and you can like sort out that thing. Here you will get the information of how many friend requests you have received and how many friend requests you have accepted. You can do all of that. And then send friend request. Here you will have your send friend request. So for now I don't have any send friend request. I have not sent anyone any friend request, so I don't have that. But if you have sent someone friend request, then you will have that here. And you can also go for the categories again, and then connections, and then you can go for blocked if you want to know if you have blocked someone or not. So you can have all of these settings here. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.